because all I want to do is drive this car. So let's take it on a drive. Right then guys, let's go for a drive in this car. Let's start the engine. Oh yes. Right, let's go. Wow, all that noise and fun just doing 0 to 60. You don't have to speed in these cars here. How would I describe the noise and the fun in this car? I saw 2 weeks ago at a festival, I went and saw the Hacienda Orchestra where they played, where they played all my favourite banging songs. This is the same. This is all my favourite noises, all rolled into one. 47 miles an hour, guys. And just listen to it. Even at 30 miles an hour, it sounds great. So guys, this is what I have to look like to get you content, but listen to this. Ready? It's a beautiful day.